Genie, your trusted channel for all things tech problem solving. In today's video, we'll be addressing an issue you might encounter when using GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp, or any other modified version of WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you come across a message stating that you need the official WhatsApp to use your account, don't worry. We've got a simple solution for you. Firstly, if you're using a non-official WhatsApp version like GB WhatsApp or FM WhatsApp and facing this issue with specific accounts, here's what you can do. Make sure to update your GB WhatsApp or the modified WhatsApp version you're using. You can easily do this by opening Google Chrome, searching for the latest version of GB WhatsApp, or your preferred mod, and updating it. This update might resolve the problem for you. However, if updating doesn't fix the issue, you'll need to uninstall the modified WhatsApp version and switch to the official WhatsApp. Open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and download and install the official app. Create your account on the official WhatsApp using your phone number. It's important to note that if you continue using GB WhatsApp or any other modified version, your number may get permanently banned from the official WhatsApp platform. So it's crucial to switch to the official version to avoid any long-term consequences. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem and continue using WhatsApp without any issues. Remember, if you neglect to switch to the official version, you risk permanent banning and losing access to WhatsApp altogether. So,